Hi guys, this is Katja with Creators Image Studio. Today I'm sharing another envelope card with you guys. I showed you one before, and this time I used Joycraft paper, and it is called, I think, Floral Symphony. I'll put it below. And it's a lovely vintage colored floral themed paper. And yeah, let's open it up. Alright, so it's a pretty simple design. I showcased the paper here and also on the back. And then I simply chose a lovely piece of trim to be the showpiece on the front. I could of course have used some flowers as well, but I did not this time. Mostly because I want to be able to send it through the mail. So you open it up because it's like a deconstructed envelope. Like this. So there you go. So you have 4 panels that you can decorate as you please. And in the middle I did a pocket that I also decorated with a tag. You can of course add more. Now this is a lovely vintage tag and I backed it up with some cardstock so I can write my message here. Put it in here. I used a lot of die cuts everywhere. These butterflies are die cuts as well. Well, they are actually punched out, but you catch my drift. And I stamped all of these sentiments, also this one here, which is also lovely if you use a black design paper with a white ink. It's cute. And this is a double-sided paper. I only used that one set of design papers that I mentioned by Joycraft. And here I die cut a small tiny envelope with a Crealis die set. And it comes with its own little tag, which I stamped knuffel, which means hug in Dutch. And I added some stickles all around. So cute, huh? And especially with a double-sided paper, it gives this lovely effect. And then I use the same paper to punch out this butterfly with my butterfly punch. Now these sentiments, they say, time is a great storyteller. This says memories, and this says, enjoy the little things in life, for one day you'll look back and realize they were the big things. So I'm sending this out to a friend of mine who is commemorating her husband's passing. So hence this type of sentiment. So thinking of you here, and here I did 2 tiny little tags. Well, this is actually one little die cut, and it depicts 2 tiny tags, and I stamped love just on top of it. So there you go. So you can go all out if you want. You can decorate all of these panels much more if you want to, but this is my style, so I like to keep it simple and stylish and elegant, and also showcase the paper. But I have seen people do this with all kinds of memorabilia and lots more tags and stuff. So that is also an option if that is your style. So be yourself is my advice in this. I also did some punching here on the corners and here and also here, just to get a lovely finish. So that was my envelope card. Alright, and we're back. That was the envelope card. I really like this kind of design, so the envelope card, because it will fit through your mailbox and yet you can fill it up with all kinds of niceness as you saw. So it will keep the bulk down and yet offer you lots of opportunity to fill it up. And yeah, as you saw, I used several die cuts and stamps and a tag. And you can use pictures as well, add poems, add lyrics to your favorite song or the favorite song of the recipient. So lots of possibilities with this design. So yeah, that was it. I hope you liked it. Let me know what you think, and leave a comment in the comment section. Press the like if you like this video, subscribe to my channel guys, and then press the bell for notifications so you will be notified every time I upload something cute. So thank you for watching guys, and I will see you next time. Bye bye!